Technological advancement have given the farmers power to cultivate their land more effectively and efficiently. There is one technology that is definitely essential in every farm setting, and this is the tractor.
Tractor is a farm vehicle. Agricultural implements can be mounted on and towed behind the tractor in order to provide source of power when the tractor is mechanized.
Tractor is considered the king of the farm because of its many uses and versatility.
It can be used for plowing for initial cultivation of soil preparation for sowing seed or planting. A disc harrow can also be implemented on the tractor for tilling purposes to till the soil where the crops are to be planted. It is also be used to cut up unwanted weeds or crop remainders. Planting can also be done using a tractor by using the correct farm implement called the planter. Different planters are used for different types of crops. And lastly, it is used for pushing or pulling agricultural machinery or trailers. Nowadays, tractors have become the most important machinery in agriculture. Without it, farmers will do everything manually.
Crop yields is higher with machinery, thus increasing farm profits. It helps farmers to make work easy, grow more crops in less time, and with greater efficiency.